Dinner time shouldn't feel rushed or chaotic, yet for many households it often does. One dish finishes early, another runs late, and suddenly food is cold, people are waiting, and cooking feels more stressful than it should. Busy families deal with this almost every night. Parents are juggling work, homework, activities, and limited time. Cooking multiple dishes that finish together becomes the hardest part of the day. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi XL Dual Zone Air Fryer is designed to solve that exact problem. It allows you to cook two different meals two different ways and have them finish at the same time. With two independent 5-quart baskets, you are no longer forced to cook in stages. You can air fry in one drawer while roasting in the other. Each basket has its own temperature and timer, giving you full control without constant monitoring. Smart Finish technology coordinates both drawers so everything completes together. No more guessing which dish to start first, no more reheating sides while the main dish waits. This makes a real difference on busy weeknights. Imagine roasting chicken in one basket while crisping vegetables or fries in the other. Both come out hot, fresh, and ready to serve at the same time. Meal prep becomes easier too. Prepare double batches of proteins and sides in one session. Save time, reduce effort, and stock your freezer without spending hours in the kitchen. The built-in Smart Cook thermometer removes guesswork completely. Insert the probe into your food, select your desired doneness, and walk away. The air fryer monitors internal temperature and automatically stops cooking when it's ready. This means no dry chicken, no overcooked steak, and no undercooked centers. Results stay consistent even when you're multitasking. The large 10-quart capacity is built for real households. It handles family meals, batch cooking, and entertaining without forcing you to rely on the oven. Two perfectly sized 5-quart baskets let you mix and match dishes easily. 6 cooking functions replace multiple appliances. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, or dehydrate all from one machine. That means less clutter on the counter and fewer tools to manage. Cleanup is simple and fast. The removable baskets and crisper plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Cooking doesn't turn into another chore after the meal is finished. Health-conscious cooks appreciate that meals come out crispy with far less oil. You get the texture and flavor people love without sacrificing healthier habits. Energy-efficient design cooks faster than traditional ovens while using less power. Rapid preheating reduces waiting time, helping dinner get on the table sooner. Hosting becomes easier too. Cook wings in one basket and vegetables in the other. Serve appetizers and mains together without juggling appliances. Whether it's weeknight dinners, meal prep Sundays, or family gatherings, this air fryer adapts to your routine instead of slowing it down. The controls are intuitive and easy to use. Presets, temperatures, and timers are clearly displayed so anyone in the household can cook with confidence. Less stress, less oil, better timing, better results. If you want meals that finish together, taste better, and require less effort, the Ninja DZ550 Foodi XL Dual Zone Air Fryer is a practical upgrade that fits modern, busy kitchens. Cook confidently, serve everything hot, and make everyday cooking feel simpler again.